Hello everyone, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Deidre. Now on Saturday night, Freddy McGregor sent shockwaves across the thousands in attendance after he was wheeled on the Sumfest stage. The reggae icon's signs of stroke was evident as his left side laid limp during his entire set. However, supported by his sons, Chino and Steve Nand, daughter and backup, he managed to perform hits after hits as the crowd warmed up to his reality.
Instead of fussing every day, yeah, why don't you kneel down and pray? Sometimes it's best to look the other way. Life could be better one day now. How long will it take you to change your way? This crazy living night and day, but if you wanna go, you must go, and if you wanna stay, come my way.
His performance was topped off by him receiving the Red Stripe Living Legend Award. Also, the much-published performance from Minister Marion Hall, who made her way on stage. In the wee hours of the Sunday morning sun, she unleashed a bashing against the scammers, naysayers, and even took a jab at the Prime Minister.
Hey, Mr. Wholeness, you need holiness. Cause right now, Jamaica in a mess. From Mobile to St. Elizabeth, the people them are all over Assembly Press.
Lady Saw was also a recipient of the Red Stripe Living Legend Award. Now, dialing back to Friday night, the top-billed acts Valiant, Massacre, and TJ ruled the night. A confident Valiant showed growth in his stagecraft.
Yes, I'm blessed. I expected peace in Panama. I'm still a buy leads for the dialogue.
Now, TJ, he was in his element as he drifted throughout his performance. Massacre, who was not often spotted, unleashed his extensive catalogue of top tracks. However, it was a moving speech during the hardcore set by the recently released Tommy Lee Sparta that resonated with the crowd.
I just start to wine for drugs and them thing, the pill up and pill and that. You understand? Overdo it. I'm come off from my addiction and enough thing, you understand? So I'm glad to feel like a break. I got to make it happen, so, you see me? I'm going to say, yo, just level down. Level down, you, you see me? I'm going to say, I respect the police, them. You see me? What can give me a chance to perform and understand so youth can change, you understand?
Tommy Lee closed Friday night on a high, ensuring to keep his set free of expletives, following the arrest of upcoming dancehall star Baker, whose expletives-riddled performance saw him being escorted out of the venue by police officers. Overall, though, Sumfest showed the full power of dancehall and reggae music, and that it is here to stay for another 30 years. That's it for your Sumfest recap. I am Deidre. Thank you for watching.